Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce app. It's called Hawa Group Voice Chat Room. So basically this is Hawa app. You can come for laugh, meet people, sound, and there are many features available. So you can see the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5 and 5k reviews and 103 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million people already download this app. So if you check here, there is some option high, enjoy high quality social. So you'll get a social friend, like-minded friends. You can get your type people here, experience unique gameplay. So gameplay is available here, show your personality and reach achievement. So if you already use the video chatting application or chat room, then you know about this. So it's really easy to use. You need to install here from Google Play Store and App Store. And if you learn more about this app, then go here and you'll get some option here. The main feature, the app is released 2020, only 3 years, and there are a bunch of ratings and reviews. What people think about this? There are positive reviews here, and there are negative reviews here. So, okay, friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.